In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an unsaved PowerPoint presentation. If you've ever closed a file too quickly or your computer shut down unexpectedly, don't worry. PowerPoint's built-in recovery tools can often bring your work back. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop or taskbar, or open it through the Start menu on Windows or Spotlight on a Mac. Once PowerPoint is open, head to the File tab in the top left corner. This takes you into what's called the backstage view, where all your document controls live. Here, make sure you're in the info section. If you don't see it right away, click info on the left-hand menu to bring up all the document management options. Next, look for the Manage Presentation button. Click it to open a small drop-down menu with recovery tools. From that menu, select Recover Unsaved Presentations. PowerPoint will open a folder that contains auto-saved versions of files you were working on but didn't manually save. This list can be a lifesaver after a crash or an accidental close. Take a moment to scan through the files in that folder. Focus on the date and timestamp so you can identify the most recent version of your presentation. If you've been working for a while, you might see multiple autosaves. Choose the latest one that matches when you were last editing. Click the file you want and then select Open. PowerPoint will load the recovered presentation so you can review it. Look over a few key slides to confirm that your changes are there. Depending on when the last autosave happened, you might be missing a couple of very recent edits, but most of your work should be intact. Now, save the recovered file immediately. Click Save As. Choose a safe and easy to find location like your desktop or documents, and give the file a clear name so you can recognize it later. This step locks in the recovery so you don't lose it again. Before we finish, here's a quick tip to help prevent this in the future. Go to File, then Options, and open the Save settings. Enable Auto Recover and set it to save every few minutes. A shorter interval means fewer changes lost if something unexpected happens. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.